Hi everyone, my name is Umail Lakhani and welcome back to my Java tutorials. So in this channel, I make Java videos every day, so if you're new here, consider subscribe. Okay, so in my previous video, I taught you guys like how to take string input in Java. Like how do we write it, that we have to write the import java.util.scanner, like so that it scans stuff and like lets the user enter like a string or a text. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys what is Java break statement, like why do we use it, like how do we write it. Okay, so first of all, what is Java break statement? So basically Java break statement like ends the loop. Like for example, 0, like if we set like a break statement into like the number 7 and but like we are incrementing like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but then we set an if statement that says like if the number here is equals to 7, and then we set it to break. So here what it will simply do, it will break, like it will like stop the code when it will reach 6, but it won't let it reach 7 because we said like when it reaches 7, like break it. So yeah, it's gonna end the incrementation at 6, so 7 it won't be printed out. So like if you don't understand what I'm trying to say, or you're just confused, don't worry, I'm gonna be showing you some examples by using Java break statement. So to make sure that you understand better, we have to first of all write an example. So yeah, so now what we can do, we can write for. So we're gonna be using the break statement, yeah, but with the for loop. So for the incrementation, we will basically obviously need like the for loop to do the incrementation stuff, or we can also use the while loop, but I will be using the while loop, like using the break statement like in another video. So yeah, okay, so for in the parentheses, int I is equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. So I'll just use the same example as I just said earlier. Like if the number reaches 7, then just break it. So yeah, so if num, oh no, sorry, not num, I is equals to double equals to 7, yeah, and then here, after the if statement, we're going to be putting system.out.println I. So what this will do, look, for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. So 0 is less than 10, this condition is true, I plus plus. So yeah, it's gonna do 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's gonna increment till 10. But here, look, here we put in an if statement. If I is equals to 7, then break. So if I double equals to or equals to 7, like if it is equals to 7, just break, like just terminate like the loop. Okay, so yeah, it's used to like terminate some loops, or you know. So yeah, it won't let it reach 7. So if you don't trust me, look. So look, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, as I just told you before, it won't let it reach 7 because we said like if it reaches 7, just stop. So it's gonna so it's gonna remove the 7 because we say like to like stop it. So yeah, so it's gonna only reach till 6 and it's gonna end the loop. Yeah, so or like we can also use while loop for like other stuff too, but and also use like break statement like in other like cases too. So yeah, so this was like just like an example. So for int I is equals to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. So yeah, we can also like do like play around with our code, or like if I is equals to like 10, if I is equals to 10, then let's see what will happen. Well, look, break and then semicolon, and then after the curly braces, like literally like just here. Yeah, the curly braces of the if statement. System data dot println I. So like, what will happen if we put like the system data dot println like in the if statement? So like, won't that work either? Well, it will give you an error. Look, quick fix, remove. Yeah, it will just tell you to remove because it will say unreachable code for some reason. So like your code like won't be reachable anymore. So yeah, you might be wondering why I can't put it here, because the code won't like, it will be unreachable from Java. So you have to put it after the if statement, because like with after the like when you put the break statement, you can't like directly put the system dot println, because like, yeah, because it will like, look, because here it's terminating the loop and then it's saying like system dot println. So like, am I supposed to terminate the loop over there or print it out here? So yeah, it will be confused what you are trying to say, like the, so here you have to put system dot println I after the curly braces of the if statement so that it works. So wait, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it just like completely ignored like the 10, because here we set it the break statement. So yeah, that's why. We can also do with 7, with 6, with 5, with 4, like, so with the 4, let's see what will happen. 0 1 2 3. So yeah, it ended like 0 1 2 3. It simply just ended after like 3. So what will happen like if you put just like if I greater than 4 and then break statement? Well, look, this is what happened. What will happen? 0 1 2 3 4. So yeah, it printed 4, but the numbers like which are greater than 4, like 5 6 7 8 9 10, yeah, 10. So those numbers will be like, yeah, like it will be ignored, like, and then after like the 4 here, it won't print anything out, because here we put it the break statement. And if the numbers are greater than 4, then Java like, please like terminate the loop like here. So it will simply just terminate the loop for you. But if you do I is less than 4, ooh, so yeah, it will simply print nothing, because look, it's starting from 0 1 2 3 4, right? So it won't print that. And so first it needs to print 0 1 2 3 4, right, like to start the incrementation. But we said less than, so less than also includes 0 1 2 3, right, and 4. So so nothing will be printed out. So yeah, so if you still add the greater than or equal to or the less than or equal to, it will pretty much be the same thing. 0 1 2 3, wait. Oh, wait. So if I, oh yeah, here, look. If I greater than or equal to, so here, yeah, we aren't setting like 4. We are saying it's greater than 4, right? But we have set it to greater than or equal to 4. So it needs to be equal to 4. Yeah. So 4. So it will print 0 1 2 3 here. Because we have also set 4, right? Look, we have set equal to 4, but 4 is equal to 4, right? So it was true. So it didn't print 4 and the other numbers which were like greater than 4. And it simply just printed 0 1 2 3. Yeah. So we can like also make a program yeah, or we can also like make a short code like this, or we can also like ask the user input, or okay. So wait, so let's do a small program, right? So first of all, we'll be asking the user input, or taking the user input. So for that, we will need the scanner, and then scanner console is equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay. So system dot in scanner console is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then what we're gonna do, system dot println, enter a number. So we can also use a break statement like this, you know. So yeah. So like we can also use break statement if we are using the for loop or any loop. So yeah. So wait. What about we set it here for I is equals to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Yeah, just like that, and then enter a number, like, and then if num like greater than 0, system dot println. Oh, not num. I mean, sorry. Oops, int num is equal to. I forgot to put the console.next, and that's why I was like, why isn't it working? And then semicolon. Yeah, and then if I greater than 0, it's a positive number. No, not I. Sorry, num. Num greater than 0. Else, if num less than 5, then less than 0, it's a negative number. So when we run this code, here we haven't put any break statement. Let's see if it's working or not. It's a positive number, -1, it's a negative. Yeah, but it's working. But here we need to put the for loop like till, like, I don't know, here. Yeah, just like that. But let's see if it works or not. 45, 32, 0, -32. Yeah, look, it's just keep asking the user to enter a number, like, so for that, like, avoid this, yeah, to like just terminate the loop like immediately. What we have to do is you have to set the break statement, the break. Yeah, it's a negative number and then positive number. So when we run this code, 45, yeah, look, it's simply not gonna ask the user like enter a lot, like enter a number a lot of times. Look, see, it's working. Because look here, I told you it was used to terminate like a loop. So like, look here, we set it enter a number, right? But in the for loop, so in the for loop it will be asking the user 5 times, right? 5 times. So yeah, enter a number like 5 times. So here we use the break statement, so which basically like ended the loop. So it basically became enter a number like a single time. So here, it's a positive number. Like, yeah, we added the break statement. So what? So it's like, so yeah, it terminates the loop. So it means like there's no longer like a, yeah. So it will just terminate the loop. And here too, it will terminate the loop. So look, if you don't put the break statement here, then let's see what will happen. What? What happened? Oops. What is this? Yeah, it's a negative number. Sorry, break 2. So yeah, so look, let's see what will happen if we run this code. What? Oh, there's an error in the curly brace because what? Oh, well, maybe there was a missing curly brace. Look, let's see what will happen. Enter a negative number. It's a negative number, but it will keep asking the user. But look, here when we look, it's a positive number, right? So when we enter the positive number, we added the break statement. So break statement. So here we entered a positive number and then went to the if statement and then break. So it will no longer ask enter a number like 5 times. But here we didn't add the break statement, so look, else if num less than 0, so our number is less than 0, it's a negative number, and then it will proceed here and then enter a number, like it will keep asking the user 5 times. But here said no, I want to terminate this loop, so it will no longer keep asking you like enter a number 5 times. But if you also don't want like for the negative number, so you have to put break statement both of this so that it won't keep like asking you to enter a number like a lot of times. So yeah, that's like it's very useful, and you can also use in switch statement. Like this is basically a shortcut to use like a lot of if statements. So I will be making a video about that. So yeah, don't worry. So negative 21, yeah, it's working. 34, negative 45, negative 45. Yeah, it's working. It's no longer asking you a lot of times or make like or 5 times, I guess. Yeah, because we set it the limit 5 times, so it will no longer keep asking you like 5 times to enter a number. So yeah, that's what like break statement is used for. Like it's very useful. You can use it in a program like this or a short like example like I showed it to you before. Yeah, so it's very useful break statement, and you can also use it in switch statement and etc. Okay, and yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too so that you won't miss out any of my videos. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.